Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to swap crypto in Bitget Wallet. So if you also want to swap crypto in Bitget Wallet, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, launch open Bitget Wallet application. Wait for it to load. You can see over here, Bitget Wallet is opened. Make sure you have an account. On the home page, you can see several options over here. Here, you can see option for more. Tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see several services over here. Under markets at trade at second, you'll be able to see the option for swap. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see over here, by default we're swapping from USDT to ETH. Now simply select the token that you want to swap. Tap on the token in from. Now select the token that you want to swap from. Now tap on the token that you can see in the toolbox. Now all you have to do is select the receiving tokens. Simply tap on the token of your choice. Now you can see the rate over here. Now all you have to do is fill in the amount. Tap right over here. Now enter the amount that you wish to swap. You can see the conversion over here. Now I do not have sufficient balance, so swap option is not available for me. But here you can see swap option. All you have to do is tap on it and your crypto will be swapped. So that is how you swap crypto in Bitget Wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.